Today we're going to talk about something very important, life or death here. Well, at least if you look at the shelves at your local grocery store, you'd think it's life or death. Talking about hand sanitizers. Can't buy it. Can't buy it anywhere these days. So if you're in the lab, we're going to show you how to make it. WHO style, World Health Organization style. So this is their recipe. We're going to go through it. And we're going to show you how to make it. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything we need. So you're going to need isopropanol, 99% or above would be good. Glycerin, if you don't have glycerin, sometimes aloe vera gel would be all right too. Hydrogen peroxide, of course. Water, you'll need some water for dilution. We're using a centrifuge tube here mainly for measuring and also a graduated cylinder. Our master container to hold everything. I'm using a bottle with a GL80 wide mouth, so it's easy to pour in. And lastly, a spray bottle and a funnel. You're gonna need this guy too. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we wanna do is we wanna measure out about 240 mils of IPA. And then we're gonna add about 15 mils or 14 mils of hydrogen peroxide. I have a 15 mil centrifuge tube, so I'm just gonna kind of pour it all the way close to the top. All right, so that's weighed out, and so let's put the isopropanol in. All right, so now we got the hydrogen peroxide. I'm gonna put the hydrogen peroxide in. And then we're gonna need about 5 mils of glycerin. And these are all pretty rough numbers. It doesn't have to be super exact, it's just hand sanitizer. And lastly, you're gonna need about 60 mils of water. That's about good. And then 60 mils of water. Boom. All right, there you go. Now, let's cap this baby, and then let's shake. Okay, this should be pretty good. And then lastly, we're gonna get our little spray bottle here. Spray bottle on, and then we're gonna label it properly, and then there you go. All right. Very nice. Done.